Hi, my name is attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III, and I'm with Disability Resolution PA. Let's go ahead and talk about question number 16 of the top 15 ALJ trick questions. Let's go. Walk a football field or a block trick question. A lot of them, and the doggies are moving around a little bit, a lot of the judges will ask you, well, how far can you walk before you have to stop and rest due to the pain? And you guys will never have an easy answer. It won't be feet, it won't be meters, it won't be yards, it'll be some weird designation. A designation that is not always easily measured. Now, a football field, we know what that is. But a block, we don't know what that is. That changes all the time, okay? So let's talk about that for a moment. What they're really asking is, can you do a light-based job or a sedentary-based job in the national economy? They're also getting at, what is your ability like for ambulation? Do you need, for example, a cane, a crutch, a walker, a wheelchair, special shoes, orthopedics, special compression braces, whatever? They're going to go through all of those details. Now, in this particular instance, they want to know how far you can walk. And you should add how long it's going to take you to walk that. The follow-up question is always the same. Okay, after you stop and rest, how long does it take for you to rest and recuperate so that you can continue to walk another football field, another block, some feature, some distance? The next thing, now remember, you're going to say 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever. You're just going to put that in there. The next thing that you have to focus on is, okay, if, for example, it takes me 10 minutes to recuperate, the judge is never going to ask you at that point, right? They're never going to ask you, well, can you do that continuously or 2/3 to 1/3 of the time throughout an 8-hour period? They're never going to ask you that. What you have to offer as testimony is how you are limited in how many times that day you can do that distance. Because if you don't, the problem is Layla will jump up. Yes, I see, I know. Oh, why? Why would you do that? Okay. Layla will jump up and she'll say to you, look, if you can repeatedly do that over an 8-hour workday where you could walk 2 blocks, 3 blocks, whatever, then you have the potential of basically doing a sedentary or light or a medium-based job. And for that reason, this is a problem because, bye Layla, this is a problem because, Shadow, stop moving the camera. This is a problem because what it ultimately equates to is that, Shadow, what are you doing? What this equates to is that they're trying to figure out how you could continuously do that job by walking and then resting and then walking and then resting. However, if you limit your statement to only being able to do that distance 3 to 4 times over an 8-hour work period, then all of a sudden they've got a problem. It's much, much, much more difficult to shove you into those jobs in the national economy that you could potentially do. Let's go back to the question. Can you walk a football field or a block trick question? How far can you walk? I'll give you the good answers. Well, I can walk about 15 to 25 feet. Well, after you walk that, how long do you need to rest before you can walk it again? Well, about 5 to 10 minutes. Boom. Judge will then move on. Problem. You now have the duty to either put it in there with your answer originally, 5 to 10 minutes, and I can only do that 2 to 3 times throughout a single day. work preclusive, no work available in the national economy that would allow you to be that unable to ambulate. Or when the judge jumps topics, you need to bring it up and say, well, the thing is I can only do that once or twice a day. That's it. Same thing applies to stairs. Well, how many times can you walk up and down the stairs to your apartment, right? If you're stuck with that. Well, Your Honor, I can only walk up and down the stairs 4 times a day. Otherwise, I feel extreme pain, and it's got to be spread out over a 12-hour period. So what you're saying is 3 times in an 8-hour period. Maybe. Okay. That's that trick question. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have any questions, want the most up-to-date information, or you want a unique video made about a particular topic you like, that's fine. Shoot me an email, give me a call, and we will go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.